To make a homemade mayonnaise, you need to start off with 1 egg yolk, half a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 125 millilitres of sunflower oil, a teaspoon of white wine vinegar or lemon juice, and some salt and pepper. So you're first of all going to separate your egg. You can always use your egg white for a different recipe. So you've got your yolk, and then you're going to add in your Dijon mustard and your salt and pepper and just whisk them together. You then need to create your emulsion, so you're just going to add a drop of oil at a time. So you really do need to add it in drops, and this is just going to stabilise your emulsion whilst you're whisking it. So you need to keep whisking it until it looks like it's getting thick, so just do a drop at a time, otherwise your mayonnaise will split and it will just end up liquidy. So we need to do it slowly so that we end up with that thick mayonnaise. So it may take some time. So you can see now that the whisk is creating ribbons, so you've got that thickness happening with your egg yolk and your oil. And so you might just be able to add a few extra drops at a time with your oil until all of your oil has been used. If once you get to the end your mayonnaise has split a bit or it's a bit too thick, if you add in a teaspoon of boiling water and whisk that in, it will loosen it out a bit. And if you want to stop your bowl from moving, if you get a damp J-cloth and put it underneath your bowl or a tea towel, it should stop your bowl from moving. So once you've added in all your oil, just whisk it, and you can see that you've got the consistency of mayonnaise there. You're going to add in your teaspoon of white wine vinegar or lemon juice and whisk that in. And then check your seasoning and see if you need to add any more salt and pepper, and potentially even any more mustard to it. And then your mayonnaise is done. You can always add in different flavourings, so you could add in some garlic or some herbs into your finished mayonnaise to give it a different taste.